Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a what I eat in a day video, and I also am just sharing with you a little bit of my workout. I'm just following something I googled on YouTube. I don't remember what it was that day, but I just started out with some stretching and some resistance bands workouts and also a ride on my Peloton bike.
If I had no cash to spend, if I forget we had plans, when I feel like breaking down, ooh, you'd be there to hold my hand. Lost in my head, pull me back to bed. Oh, oh, when I feel like I got nothing left, I got you. I got you. I got you. Oh, 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 oh. I got you. Oh, 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 oh. I got when I feel like I got nothing left. I got you. I got you.
You can get the same band.
They got it at the same store. Austin, what are you having for breakfast? Toast, jelly, banana, yogurt. You still half asleep? Sorry. What are you having there, lady?
Apples with peanut butter and toast with jelly.
And what else?
I
And what are you drinking?
was
Yummy.
crying.
All right, for my daughter's school lunch, she's got a little sandwich on a Hawaiian roll, a cheese stick, some grapes, wheat thins, and a few M&Ms as a treat. And for her snack, she has these little tiger paws, a Z-bar, and some fruit snacks. Yes, Austin?
It was a little bit.
Myself, I don't need anyone else. I got you all to myself. When I feel like I got nothing left, I got you. Oh, 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 oh. I got you. Oh, 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 oh. I got when I feel like I got nothing left. I got you. I got you.
All right, so it is almost 11 o'clock. I try to eat between 12 and 6, but when you get up at like 5:30 in the morning, it's really hard to wait that long. So I'm gonna try to eat between 11 and 5 today. If not, I'll just do it between 11 and 6. It is what it is. But I'm going to make avocado toast, 2 eggs, and a cup of fruit. This has been my jam lately. I love it. I'm apparently so late to the game with the avocado toast, but it's so good. I will show you how I make it. It's all mashed. Add a little lemon juice, some Red Hot, pepper, and some salt. And you just make a piece of toast and put that right on top. It's delicious. And this is the completed breakfast. It is 2 eggs, 1 cup of fruit. I use the little, I think 21-day fix measuring cups just to measure out my fruit, and actually I end up having way more than when I just put some on my plate. And then the avocado toast. So excited. Cannot wait to eat. I am starving. And then to drink, I'm just going to drink my water. We are just headed out to go pick up my daughter from school and have a few errands to do, so I'm gonna bring my lunch with me. I have a rice cake with some peanut butter and a pure protein shake. And of course, my water, which I'm almost done with the full gallon already, and it's only 12:45. All right, and this is my dinner. I have lettuce, cucumbers, grilled chicken, some pecans, and some slivered almonds, and a couple of dried cranberries, and a few of these little dried onions. And I'm gonna put a vinaigrette dressing on it. And then my dessert options, I usually either have one of these fudge pops, or one of these Fiber One chocolate caramel and pretzel bars. So I don't know which one I feel like having tonight yet, but I will let you know when I do. What are you having? Chips, applesauce, and chicken. All right, so I ended up having one of those like fudge popsicle things, and that is it. So I ate between 11 and 6 today. So I know it's kind of like a weird window. I try to do between 12 and 6, but when I'm getting up at 5:30 to work out, I just can't wait that long. So I gotta kind of figure out a little groove, but 7 hours on, 17 hours, 15 hours, 16, whatever. I don't know the math, I should, but I'm tired. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed and let me know if you want to see more what I eat in a day videos to get different ideas of how I am losing those last 13 pounds. Bye guys.